Morning. So we've just left our hostel in Sydney near Broadway.
Yeah.
Had a bus and a train, and we're now in Bondi. Yeah. So we've just discovered the transport works really well here if you know what you're doing.
Sydney's been amazing though. We're so sad to leave.
It is, and the hostel was really good. Really good hostel. Breakfast amazing. People were amazing. So yeah, really good. And looking forward to Bondi. And I'll give you a quick glimpse there. That's the sea. Although the weather's not looking great at the moment, but hopefully it'll get better later.
Something's missing here. I need you right here. I need you to light a fire. Can you reach me in time? Can you find me in time? Gonna find me? Are you gonna find me? I need to know you'll be here in time. I need to know you'll be here in time.
Hey guys, so we're on Bondi Beach right now. Just a little bit of a snooze, but as you can see from the weather behind us, not that great. I think Steph's got about 4 or 5 layers on.
It's cold. It's really cold. I'm really windy.
So we hope you can hear this, but yeah, we're gonna go for a little walk now and then maybe try and find some food.
Yeah, the drone's just nearly blown away.
Yeah, so we're call it quits for the drone today for sure.
Reach me in time. Can you find me in time? I'm waiting just on you. I'm waiting just on you.
Caught in a storm again. Had a good afternoon, so we have some amazing food. We had sort of a dinner lunch, if you want to call it, lunch and dinner. Came back to the hostel and chilled, and I've just done a bit of shopping whilst in Australia, so we're all set for Malaysia. But the rain is coming, that's why we are pack-a-macked up again.